Today I am reviewing the Crucial Pro 32GB DDR5 RAM Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First, let's address the core specifications, because they matter here. This kit runs at 6000 MHz with timings of CL36-38-38-80. On paper, that places it in the sweet spot for current generation platforms, especially for users running compatible 13th generation Intel Core CPUs or newer AMD Ryzen platforms that support DDR5 with XMP 3.0 or AMD EXPO profiles. 6000 MHz is widely considered an optimal frequency for balancing bandwidth and latency on many systems, and in practical testing, it proves to be a strong choice. Installation is straightforward. The modules have a clean black heat spreader design that looks understated but modern. They do not rely on flashy RGB lighting. For builders who prefer a clean and minimal aesthetic, this is a plus. The heat spreaders are solid and provide adequate thermal management under load. During extended gaming sessions and stress testing, temperatures remained stable without any signs of throttling or instability. Enabling XMP or EXPO is simple in BIOS. Once activated, the kit immediately ran at its rated 6000 MHz speed without manual tweaking. Stability testing through memory stress tools and extended gaming sessions did not produce crashes or memory errors. That reliability is important. High-frequency memory is only valuable if it runs consistently without requiring endless manual voltage adjustments. This kit delivers plug-and-play overclocking performance for most users. In gaming scenarios, the difference compared to lower-frequency DDR5 or older DDR4 platforms is noticeable, particularly in CPU-bound titles. Frame rates become more consistent, and minimum frame rates improve. The smoother frame pacing is more important than peak FPS numbers. Fast-paced competitive games benefit from lower latency and improved memory bandwidth, especially when paired with modern GPUs and high refresh rate monitors. While memory alone does not transform performance, it contributes to overall system responsiveness and helps eliminate bottlenecks. For AAA titles with large open worlds, load times feel slightly more responsive and background asset streaming appears smoother. The improvement is not dramatic compared to mid-tier DDR5 kits, but compared to older memory standards, the responsiveness is clear. Multitasking while gaming, such as streaming or running background applications, also benefits from having 32 GB of capacity. Modern games can consume significant memory, and 16 GB is increasingly becoming the minimum rather than the ideal. This 32 GB configuration provides headroom for future titles. Productivity workloads show even more tangible benefits. Tasks like video editing, large file compression, compiling code, and running virtual machines benefit from both the higher bandwidth and the expanded capacity. When pushing multiple heavy applications at once, the system remains stable and responsive. Memory-intensive tasks complete smoothly without excessive swapping or slowdowns. One of the most reassuring aspects of this kit is the Micron backing. Crucial operates under Micron's memory manufacturing expertise, and that experience shows in quality control. The modules feel well-built, and long-term reliability is a strong selling point. Not all DDR5 kits at this speed are created equal, and stability at rated speeds can vary by brand. This kit maintains consistency under load. In terms of overclocking headroom beyond the rated 6000 MHz, results will depend on motherboard quality and CPU memory controller strength. Some users may be able to tighten timings slightly or push frequency marginally higher with manual tuning. However, even at stock XMP or EXPO settings, the performance is strong enough that aggressive manual tweaking is not necessary for most users. Power efficiency is another quiet advantage of DDR5 compared to previous generations. Despite higher speeds, power management is improved. During testing, there was no noticeable impact on overall system thermals or instability caused by power spikes. There are a few considerations. This kit requires a motherboard and processor that support DDR5. It is not backward compatible with DDR4 platforms. Users upgrading from older systems will need a compatible motherboard and CPU. Also, while CL36 is solid for 6000 MHz, there are premium kits with tighter timings, though often at a significantly higher cost. For most users, the real-world difference between CL36 and slightly tighter timings will be minimal. Overall, the Crucial Pro 32GB DDR5 6000 MHz kit delivers exactly what it promises: stable, high-speed memory performance with reliable overclocking profiles and strong compatibility across modern Intel and AMD systems. It improves gaming smoothness, enhances multitasking, and provides future-ready capacity.